What's wrong?
Also guys, siyavloga sizawuhamba ngoku besingayazi uba sizawuhamba. It was a quick thing but besesipakishile besicinga sihamba ngomso, so izinto zenzeke as always. So nakule mo senovuka ubuthongweni and nazi ibhegi zethu sipakishile siyahamba, so enjoy the road with us. Road to King Williamstown. Say King Williamstown.
Umgidi Azola.
Umgidi Azola, cousin yethu and my best friend. So let's go.
We are on the way to Queenstown. We are on the way to King Williamstown. Not a queen, a king. Was long kings.
One clash
20
past 12.
20 past 12. It's a garage got engine. Called the science road by garage. So
What are those? What are these?
they're crocs. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, bye.
It's like 5 a.m. in the morning. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning and we're here stopping.
It's day before Umgidi. Siyasebenza, as you can see abantu uzabonisa ulizile sebenza ngibele lanto yabo ndiyakera and stuff. So ulizile ndibonisa around uba kuzona abantu bayasebenza.
As you can see, guys, there are people working all over. I just want the best of this. And there's also, the tent is being set up. And also here in the garage, here are the seats for tomorrow. In the garage, you guys can see there's a lot of things in this garage. Because things here. See? People are waiting. People are waiting. And I'll show you where I sleep. You won't believe where I sleep. Yeah. I'll show you where I sleep. Yes. This is where I sleep. Yes. It's an airbag. It's an airbed. It's kind of comfortable, but you get the worry of like it's gonna pop. But it is comfortable. Oh my gosh. Zala, Zumbe, Dala Mama, Zumbe, Ubigis all Dala Mama, Zala, Zumbe. ntsikelelo I'm sorry, sisi yakwas. When utulele ni mawande. I'm sorry, sisi yakwas. When utulele ni mawande. I'm sorry, sisi yakwas. Minandingu eipe. I'm sorry, sisi yakwas. Ninandingumzwane mabela. I'm sorry, sisi yakwas. When utulele ni mawande. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, sisi yakwas. When utulele mawande. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, sisi yakwas. Mina ndingumzwane emamela. I'm sorry, sisi yakwas. Mina ndingumzwane emamela. I'm sorry, sisi kabuka.
Guys, it's the day of Umgidi, as you can see. I already watched the can't be because so umkhwetho useyolamba so
akalala umntozali kwekwe akalala umntozali kwekwe akalala umntozali uyabhenquza akalala umntozali kwekwe akalala umntozali kwekwe Salingwe, salingwe, itu asola indo, tati, asola indo, again. Oh, bangena ngapha ya. Asingapha ke okunathi.
I'm taking a video. Ngoma vala umlomo. Yacaca uba uqala kuvula ikhadi. Sonke lapha endlebeni. Awuthengiswa kahle. Hey thina. Boy.
Akho nempama. Abenhloko bese kanye lemthetho.
Siyotshana okay.
How do you feel now? How do you feel? Ndiyakubona ngolelani.
Hayi sibekisiza. Ungayisuka. Hayibo.
How do you feel now that your best friend is?
I feel scrumptious. He's not my best friend, but
Yes.
my friend.
Yes.
He's not my best. Yeah. Otherwise, I feel I'm excited. I feel scrumptious. You know, I got no anxiety, man.
Why did you go see him?
No, I'm scared. Yeah. It's like he's gonna take me. I'm so scared. But you know what? I'm gonna go and see him because he is my friend. That one, I feel him. He's my nigga.
My negro. My negro.
We were in jail together, eating life, having life. Wait, I'm gonna affect my life. You see this? You see this?
You don't give me
Do like
money.
this. Only money that I want. Never give me. Never give me.
Why are you fucking on Bama?
Because
How slow?
How slow we
Well,
cars
I'm
and see again.
GBV. Gender-based
violence.
GV.
GBV.
GV. Only money that I want. You're right.
No, man.
Nobody trendy like don't care. Only
Yes,
money
yes,
that I want.
that one like
Yes, get nappy.
Really question let's sibuza iginger why kwelanga so fabric ayigcine mntamam
yes into
Guys
shuba
from
kola
Japan.
yo ayazi kind of hell
yeke Wakanda forever. Gubani igama lakho.
Tishala. I thought they speak Xhosa here.
Gubani
Pagla advert.
Oh, lega Nando's.
I thought they were speaking Xhosa
Jura
here.
la traffic. Just gonna leave it here. La suso la duza. The traffic. Just gonna leave it here. Where's
Big John. Big John.
Kind of drive back. We lost the picture.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Yo, uqibile.
Naxa athe wamkhulu akasani kakhulu amazwi nje lawo endiwakhosana apha